Most drivers deal with the same annoying car problems for years without realizing some of the smartest fixes cost almost nothing. Foggy windows, faded interiors, sticky buttons, bad smells. Tiny issues slowly make a car feel older and more frustrating over time, even when the vehicle itself is still perfectly fine. And the interesting part is that many of these tricks quietly circulate between detailers, mechanics, and experienced drivers, but most people never hear about them until someone randomly shows them years later. Some take less than a minute to do, while others can quietly prevent expensive damage most drivers accidentally create without realizing it. So before we start, I'm curious, what's the most annoying small problem you currently deal with inside your car? Let me know down below. And let's start with a simple cold weather trick that can save your doors from one of winter's most frustrating problems. Number 15. Petroleum jelly stops. Door seals from freezing. Cold weather quietly creates one of the most frustrating problems drivers deal with during winter. Frozen door seals. You pull the handle, the door feels glued shut, and suddenly you're forcing against frozen rubber, hoping nothing tears or cracks. A very thin protective layer along the rubber seals helps reduce moisture sticking directly against the surface, while also helping the rubber stay softer during colder weather. The reason this works is because rubber seals slowly dry out over time. Once moisture settles between the seal and the metal overnight, freezing temperatures can literally bond the door shut by morning. The important thing is using only a very small amount because excessive buildup simply attracts dust and dirt afterward. And once moisture starts creating problems outside the car, it usually starts causing another frustrating issue inside the cabin too. Number 14. Shaving foam helps reduce window fogging. A surprising number of drivers still deal with constantly fogging windows every rainy morning without realizing there's an old trick many experienced detailers quietly use themselves. A small amount of shaving foam lightly spread across the inside of the windshield can help reduce condensation buildup once it's properly buffed clean afterward. The reason it works is because it leaves behind a very thin, invisible layer that helps moisture spread more evenly across the glass, instead of instantly forming thick fog patches. The effect becomes especially noticeable during colder mornings or humid weather, when visibility suddenly disappears seconds after entering the vehicle. The important part is fully buffing away excess residue afterward so the glass stays crystal clear instead of streaky. And speaking of buildup hiding in places most people rarely clean properly, the next trick quietly fixes one of the dirtiest areas inside many modern interiors. Number 13. A soft paintbrush cleans air vents better than most tools. Most drivers wipe their dashboard occasionally while completely ignoring the air vents slowly collecting dust deep inside the slats. Over time, those vents trap lint, oily residue, dirt, and fine particles that regular towels barely reach properly. That's why many detailers quietly use soft paintbrushes instead of large cloths when cleaning textured dashboard areas. The soft bristles slide deep between the vent fins without scratching the plastic while loosening hidden dust trapped inside tight spaces. Suddenly the dashboard starts looking dramatically cleaner, even though the process only takes a few minutes. What makes this surprisingly satisfying is how much cleaner the entire cabin suddenly feels afterward. Hidden dust quietly makes interiors feel older and neglected without owners realizing it. And another small item most people throw away immediately can actually help reduce one of the most annoying interior problems during humid weather. Number 12. Silica gel packets quietly absorb interior moisture. Those small silica gel packets found inside shoeboxes and electronics packaging usually get thrown away instantly. But many experienced drivers keep them because they quietly absorb excess moisture inside the vehicle over time, especially during rainy seasons or humid climates. Moisture buildup creates several annoying problems at once. Foggy windows, damp smells, hidden mildew, moisture trapped beneath floor mats. Placing a few silica packets beneath seats or inside storage compartments can help slowly reduce humidity levels inside the cabin, particularly in vehicles parked outdoors regularly. Small hidden moisture problems often create much bigger interior frustrations than drivers realize because the cabin can look perfectly clean, while dampness quietly builds underneath surfaces. And once interiors start feeling cleaner again, another overlooked trick can quietly make older plastic surfaces look dramatically healthier within minutes. Number 11. Dry interior plastic can look much newer again. Over time, dashboards and interior plastics slowly lose richness from sunlight, heat, and years of exposure. Surfaces start looking faded, chalky, and tired even when the rest of the interior still looks decent. Restoring depth to older plastic often requires far less work than most drivers expect. A tiny amount of carefully applied conditioner or oil-based interior restorer can dramatically improve how dry textured plastic reflects light again. The key is moderation, because too much creates greasy shine and attracts dust almost immediately. Properly buffed surfaces suddenly look darker, cleaner, and much healthier afterward. Small visual details quietly shape how people judge a vehicle much more than most drivers realize. And another cheap household item quietly prevents one of the most common cosmetic mistakes drivers make every week inside tight garages. Number 10. Pool noodles can prevent garage door dings. Tight garages quietly destroy doors, mirrors, and paint over time. One careless opening against a hard wall suddenly creates scratches or dents that remain visible every single day afterward. That's why some drivers attach sections of soft foam or pool noodles directly onto garage walls where doors usually make contact. The idea sounds ridiculous at first until you realize how effective it actually is. The foam absorbs the impact before the edge of the door touches concrete or brick surfaces. Families with multiple cars especially benefit because different drivers rarely park in exactly the same position every time. Small preventative tricks like this quietly save hundreds in cosmetic damage people usually assume is unavoidable. And another simple item quietly fixes one of the stickiest modern interior problems drivers eventually face. Number 9. Sticky buttons can often be cleaned, not replaced. A lot of modern cars develop sticky interior buttons after years of heat and sunlight. Climate controls, steering wheel buttons, and radio controls slowly become tacky and unpleasant to touch. Many drivers assume the material itself is permanently ruined, but in many cases the sticky layer is actually degraded surface coating sitting on top of the plastic. Carefully cleaning the area with small amounts of rubbing alcohol on a microfiber towel can sometimes remove the broken-down residue surprisingly well. The important part is patience, because aggressive scrubbing can damage the remaining finish underneath if done carelessly. Once the sticky residue disappears, the entire interior suddenly feels cleaner and newer every time those controls are touched. And while most drivers focus heavily on what they can see, another hidden area quietly traps some of the worst smells inside older cars. Number 8. Floor mats often hide the real mess. Many interiors look clean at first glance, while moisture, sand, dirt, and even mildew quietly collect underneath the floor mats for months. Once trapped moisture sits long enough, the cabin slowly develops odors most drivers struggle to explain. That's why experienced detailers always lift the mats completely during cleaning instead of only vacuuming the visible surface. Wet shoes, spilled drinks, rainwater, and snow buildup slowly soak into the carpet padding where airflow barely reaches. Hidden moisture quietly creates much bigger problems than people realize because the smell usually appears long after the actual moisture buildup started. And another small trick can help older cars smell noticeably fresher almost immediately. Number 7. Wooden clips on air vents can make air fresheners last longer. A lot of drivers buy expensive air fresheners that smell strong for 2 days and then disappear completely. But simple wooden clips attached near the air vents absorb fragrance surprisingly well and slowly release the scent once airflow passes through the cabin. A small amount of essential oil or fragrance lightly sprayed onto the clip keeps the interior smelling fresher without creating the overpowering chemical smell many hanging air fresheners produce. The airflow spreads the scent more evenly throughout the vehicle instead of concentrating it in one spot. The result usually feels much cleaner and more natural compared to stronger commercial air fresheners. And if practical car videos like this are useful to you, consider subscribing because there's a lot more coming that can help make driving easier and help you avoid expensive little mistakes long term. And one of the smartest tricks experienced drivers use actually starts before the car even moves. Number 6. Turning the AC off before parking helps prevent bad smells. A surprising number of bad interior smells actually begin inside the air conditioning system itself. Moisture naturally builds up around the evaporator while the AC runs, especially during hot or humid weather. If the system shuts off immediately after parking, that moisture can stay trapped inside the vents and slowly create mildew smells over time. That's why many experienced drivers switch the AC compressor off about 30 seconds before reaching their destination while leaving the fan running briefly. The airflow helps dry excess moisture inside the system before the vehicle shuts down completely. Tiny routines quietly affect long-term interior freshness far more than many drivers realize. And another everyday habit quietly drains batteries faster than people expect in modern vehicles. Number 5. Accessory mode can drain modern batteries surprisingly fast. Modern vehicles use far more electronics than older cars ever did. Large infotainment screens, lighting systems, cameras, wireless charging pads, and sensors all continue pulling power even while the engine stays off. That's why sitting in accessory mode for long periods can drain batteries much faster than many drivers expect. The problem becomes especially common in push-button start vehicles because people assume the car is barely using power while parked listening to music or charging phones. Meanwhile, multiple electronic systems remain active quietly in the background. Modern batteries now handle far more electrical demand than older vehicles, which means small habits matter more than they used to. And another hidden emergency feature becomes incredibly important once key fob batteries suddenly die unexpectedly. Number 4. Your key fob probably hides a physical key. A surprising number of drivers don't realize many modern key fobs still contain a hidden physical key inside them for emergencies. The problem only becomes obvious once the battery suddenly dies. The car refuses to unlock normally, and panic starts setting in. Most fobs include a small release switch that slides out a backup key capable of unlocking the driver's door manually. Some vehicles also include hidden backup starting procedures, allowing dead key fobs to still start push-button ignition systems temporarily. Knowing these small emergency features beforehand quietly prevents huge stress later. And another tiny cleaning trick becomes incredibly useful during road trips, rainy weather, and dusty interiors. Number 3. Microfiber towels. Fix problems constantly. A small microfiber towel kept inside the car quietly becomes useful far more often than most drivers expect. Foggy windows, touchscreen fingerprints, spilled drinks, dusty dashboards, wet mirrors. Tiny messes constantly happen during everyday driving, and microfiber handles them without scratching sensitive surfaces. Unlike rough paper towels or old cloth rags, microfiber traps dust and moisture properly while remaining safe for screens, piano black trim, and glass surfaces. That's why many detailers keep several inside the vehicle at all times. It's one of those tiny things drivers rarely think about until they finally start keeping one nearby. And another hidden issue quietly causes major interior damage long before most people notice it happening. Number 2. Small water leaks can destroy interiors quietly. Tiny leaks often start so slowly that drivers barely notice them at first. A little moisture near the floor mat, slightly damp carpet during rain, mild fogging that seems random. But over time, trapped water quietly creates mold, bad smells, electrical problems, and stained interiors. Sunroof drains, windshield seals, door seals, and AC drain tubes are common leak sources many drivers completely overlook. That's why checking the carpet occasionally, especially after storms or car washes, can prevent much larger problems later. Tiny hidden moisture problems quietly become major headaches surprisingly fast. And the final trick is something many experienced drivers do automatically without even thinking about it anymore. Number 1. Parking forward makes leaving easier, safer, and faster. A lot of drivers focus only on getting into a parking spot quickly, without thinking about how much easier leaving becomes afterward. Experienced drivers often do the opposite. They think about the exit first. Parking so the car can pull forward when leaving improves visibility dramatically compared to backing out blindly between larger vehicles. It also reduces stress in crowded parking lots, speeds up exits during bad weather, and lowers the chances of minor backing accidents many drivers deal with every year. Small habits like this quietly make everyday driving smoother without most people ever realizing it. Because in the end, some of the smartest car tricks aren't expensive upgrades at all. They're simply small habits experienced drivers quietly learn over time. So now I'm curious, which one of these hacks surprised you the most? And do you have a hidden car trick most drivers probably don't know about? Let me know down below. And if practical car videos like this are useful to you, consider subscribing because there's a lot more coming that can help make driving easier and help you avoid expensive little mistakes long term.